Imagine walking into a dense forest, towering trees, chirping birds, scurrying insects, and even hidden fungi beneath the soil. All these living organisms, interacting in the same space, form what we call a biological community. A community in ecology refers to all the populations of different species living together in a defined area, interacting with one another. For instance, a coral reef community consists of fish, corals, algae, and marine creatures, all dependent on each other. Similarly, a grassland has grazing herbivores, predators, and decomposers shaping the ecosystem. Did you know? Predators help maintain community balance by controlling prey populations. In short, a community is nature's way of keeping life interconnected. Want to learn more about ecosystems? Subscribe to Biotic World.